These Skechers Air-Cooled Memory Foam seat covers noticeably improve long drive comfort by molding to your body and easing pressure points on your back and legs. The combination of thick memory foam, leather accents, and breathable mesh keeps the seats feeling cushioned while allowing air to circulate so they do not get overly hot or sticky. A three-panel, form-hugging layout helps the covers sit smoothly on most standard car, sport utility vehicle, van, and truck seats without looking loose or baggy. The stitching is designed so side airbags can still deploy properly, which adds peace of mind for anyone concerned about safety with aftermarket covers. The overall build feels more premium than many generic covers, with materials that look tidy and are easier to wipe clean after daily use. For drivers who spend a lot of time on the road, these covers bring the familiar Skechers comfort from footwear into the cabin, making seats feel more like supportive cushions than bare factory upholstery.